Okay, I'm going to try yet again. I don't know what the deal is with this camera, but I took the card out to take the video out, and there was nothing. Well, there was 4 seconds, even though I was watching a little red light flash, like I am right now. So, anyways, hi, DebV here. I'm going to, my 8x12 hoop arrived. I ordered this off of Amazon. Yes, it is a generic brand. I've already checked, and it does fit snug. See how tight it is to get it in. It's in, but taking it out would probably throw it off kilter. I'm not sure why it fits so snug. I compared the side to the other hoops, and they look exactly the same. So I just a hair wider or deeper, or I don't know. But I think I'm going to get some silicone spray and put just a dab on the hoop, on the attachment part, and see if that helps it to slide in. I don't know. I really wanted it basically for my fem pads. I have loaded the fem pad in. It measures 7.54 inches wide by 9.54 inches long. Now, I'm not going to make one on screen. I've done this numerous times for you guys. I have uploaded the design to my old blog and gave it away free. If you want it, you can probably still find it in my old videos. I'm just going to run the tester. So even though on the screen it doesn't show 8x12 as a choice, as you can see, it's accepting it, it's moving. So I guess the biggest trick is, as long as it'll fit into that device over there, you can test it and make sure it goes in, you know, that it'll move around. It does work for me, but it is, as you can see, very, very tight. That makes you a little uncomfortable. I can see the rub, so yes, it's in here. This must be higher than it needs to be, and it really doesn't take much. In a machine like this, just being off a millisecond can cause aggravation, because as you can see, it's not that deep. So if you add just a hair's breadth to it, it's gonna drag. But I had told you I would show you. Yes, it did work. If you're going to try one on your baby lock Meridian, I would recommend getting it from someplace like Amazon that you can return it to. Definitely check, because almost all of them are third-party sellers. So you got to check the return policy. If it's coming from the Amazon warehouse, normally you can return it. I just returned a cable I bought trying to make the microphone work with the camera again, only to find out, no, it's the camera. The cable, the new plug-in didn't help at all. So obviously it's the camera, because the one that's on it, when it's plugged in, it comes and goes also. So far, so good. I've been recording for 4.5 minutes, and it still says it's working. I guess I'll find out if this video actually records. I'm not investing in another camera. My last video had 20 seconds, 1 view. If there's somebody actually watching this, I'm sorry, but no, I'm not investing in another camera. This is my 4th camera in 4 years, and I can't afford it on a disability check. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.